Hello everyone, let's dive into the WOBKEY Crush 80 Reboot, a CNC aluminum mechanical keyboard that's making some serious waves. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a statement piece packed with innovative features. First off, the build quality is exceptional. The CNC 6063 aluminum frame gives it a premium feel and a reassuring heft. It feels incredibly solid and durable, like it could withstand just about anything. The design is clean and modern, making a great addition to any desk setup. One of the standout features is the 5-second quick-release design. This is a game changer for anyone who likes to customize or tinker with their keyboard. Swapping out switches or keycaps is now incredibly fast and easy. No more struggling with tools or worrying about damaging anything. The Crush 80 offers triple mode connectivity, which means it can connect via USB-C, Bluetooth, or a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. This versatility is fantastic, allowing seamless switching between devices. Whether it's a desktop PC, a laptop, or even a tablet, this keyboard has it covered. The keyboard comes in two versions, Lite and Pro, each with its own unique switches. The Lite version features HMX Frost switches, while the Pro version boasts Kale Cocoa switches. Both options provide a tactile and responsive typing experience. The HMX Frost switches are known for their smooth and linear feel, while the Kale Cocoa switches offer a more pronounced tactile bump. The keycaps are made from PBT material, using either a double shot or die sublimation process. PBT keycaps are known for their durability and resistance to shine, ensuring that the keycaps will look great for years to come. The legends are crisp and clear, and the texture feels great under the fingertips. Another interesting feature is the ball catch structure, which helps to secure the keyboard components and reduce rattle. This attention to detail contributes to the overall premium feel of the keyboard. Battery life is also impressive. The Lite version has a 3,750 mAh battery, while the Pro version has a massive 7,500 mAh battery. This means you can use the keyboard wirelessly for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. The WOBKEY Crush 80 is also highly programmable, allowing to customize the key mappings and create macros. This is a great feature for gamers and power users who want to optimize their workflow. The keyboard is also hot swappable, which means you can easily change the switches without soldering. With 88 keys, it strikes a good balance between functionality and compactness. It includes all the essential keys without taking up too much desk space. The dimensions are 14 inches in length, 5.6 inches in width, and 0.9 inches in height. Overall, the WOBKEY Crush 80 Reboot is an outstanding mechanical keyboard that offers a premium typing experience. Its innovative features, exceptional build quality, and versatile connectivity make it a top contender in the market. If you're looking for a high-end keyboard that's both functional and stylish, the Crush 80 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.